Progressive English book and open your page number 68. Today we are starting unit 13 and our topic is what a noise. What is a noise? A sound, especially one that is loud or unpleasant or that cause disturbance. Unit 13, lesson 1, listen and speak. Question number A. It is activity. We do it in the classroom. Look at your B part. Look at these pictures with the help of the words in the box. Say what sound they make. Number 1 is brum, moo, tring, tick, meow. A cycle. A sound of cycle is tring. A car. A car sound is brum. A cow. A cow sound is moo. And a cat sound is meow. Okay, now look at your C part. Which of these words rhyme with each sound in exercise B? Chick rhymes with tick. Sing rhymes with trick. Worm rhymes with broom. Shoe sound rhymes with meow. And now rhymes with moo. Okay, now look at your D part. Sing this song. Oh, we can play. Ooh, oh, we can play the big bass drum. And this is the music to it. Boom, boom, boom goes the big bass drum. And that's the way we do it. Oh, we can play the big trumpet. Toot, toot, toot. Oh, we can play the big cymbals. Crash, crash, crash. Oh, we can play the piano. Plonk, plonk, plonk. So here you learn the sound of different instrument, like the big bass drum. The sound of big bass drum is boom, 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 boom. Now look at the big trumpet. The sound of big trumpet is toot, 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 and the sound of cymbal is crash, crash, and the sound of piano is plonk, plonk. Now look at your next page, page number 69, unit number 13, lesson 2, phonics and words. Read the word with the O and O sounds. Match the pictures to the words. Okay, here we have different words like house. Now match it with house. Loud. Who is speaking loud? This picture, so you can match it. Cloud, match with clouds. Okay, out, shout, ouch. And you also match it with ouch. Okay, now cow, now, meow, down, brown, down. These words have O sounds. So you match cow with cow, down with down, brown. The color of cow is brown, so you have to match it like this. Okay, now look at your B part and now use the word in exercise A in sentences of your own. Look at your C part. Complete the sentences with the O or O. They make the same sounds. Okay, now look at these sentences. Number 1 is a BR-NC- was in Faiza's garden. A dash cow, a brown cow was in Faiza's garden. A brown O sound. The brown cow was in Faiza's garden. Look at your second sentence. Ali, come here now, shouted Faiza. Ali ran out of the house. He banged his drum. It was very loud. Look at your fifth point. The cow ran out of the garden. Now look at your D part. Match the words to the picture and write the correct letter next to each word. A van. Where's a van? van is here. So you write B in front of a van. Next to the second is a cycle. Where is a cycle? Cycle is here. A. Write it A here. A truck. Where is a truck? Truck is here. Okay, now write E here. A motorcycle. Motorcycle is here. So you match it like this and you write F here. Okay, where is a car? Car is here. You write C here and match it with car. A bus. Where is a bus? Bus is here. Match it with the bus and write G. Where is the train? A train is here and you write D here and match it with train. Now open your page number 70. Look at your page number 70. We are starting unit 13, lesson 3, reading Mr. Majid's music shop. Mr. Majid have a music shop. Listen as you read the story, then answer the question. Where was Mr. Majid really happy? Okay, first of all, we read this story and then we know where was Mr. Majid really happy. Mr. Majid had a music shop. Look at this picture. He's a Mr. Majid. And he had a music shop. And in this shop, he had different musical instrument, okay? Mr. Majid had a music shop. One morning, a woman came into the shop because in this shop, he had different instrument. Plonk, plonk went the woman on the piano. Look at this picture. She is playing the piano. Plonk, plonk went the woman on the piano. Ouch, said Mr. Majid, that's loud. And Mr. Majid don't like the voice of piano. So he said, ouch, that's so loud. Okay, then a man came into his shop. Toot, toot went the man on the trumpet. And the sound of trumpet is toot, toot. What a noise, said Mr. Majid. That's louder than the piano, and he also don't like the voice of trumpet. Then a girl came into his shop. Crash, crash went the girl on the cymbals. Look at this girl. She is playing the cymbals, and the sound of cymbal is crash, crash. It's too noisy here, said Mr. Majid. That's louder than the piano and the trumpet. Then a boy came into his shop. Boom, boom went the boy on the drums. Mr. Majid put his hand on his ear. Look at this picture. This boy is beating a drum, and look at Mr. Majid. He put his hands on his ears. I want some peace and quiet. Mr. Majid ran out of his shop and into the town. Brum, brum went the car. Tring, tring went the cycle. Brum, brum went the motorcycle. Help, shouted Mr. Majid. The town's louder than my music shop. I want some peace and quiet. He don't like the voices of cars, cycles, motorcycles, and he wants some peace. Mr. Majid got on a train and went out of the town. He went out of the town. He got out of the town out of the train near a farmhouse, and he went near a farmhouse. Moo moo went the cows, meh meh went the goats, quack quack went the ducks, clack clack, cluck cluck went the hens. And these animals also produce different voices, different sounds. What a noise, shouted Mr. Majid. The farm's louder than my music shop and the town. I want some peace and quiet. Mr. Majid walked out of the farm. He walked to the middle of a big field. He lay down on his back. He looked up at the blue sky and the white clouds. There was no noise at all. Ah, he said, peace and quiet at last. Mr. Majid went to sleep. He got up in the afternoon. He was hot, he was hungry, he was thirsty, and it was too quiet. So he ran back to the farm, then he took the train back to the town. Then he ran back into his shop. There were lots of people in the shop. He said, yes, my shop's very noisy, but it's my favorite place and I like it. Best of all, I don't really like peace and quiet. So we know the answer of this question. Where was Mr. Majid really happy? Mr. Majid's favorite place is his shop. So he is happy in his shop. Write short answers for these questions. Example, did Mr. Majid have a music shop? Yes, he did. Did a woman play the piano? Yes, she did. Did a girl play the trumpet? No, he did not. Did Mr. Majid like the noise? No, he did not. Did he go in a car? No, he did not. Did he go in a train? Yes, he did. Did the cows go quack? No, they did not. Did the hens go cluck, cluck? Yes, they did. Did Mr. Majid go to sleep? Yes, he did. Did he like peace and quiet? Yes, he did. Did he like peace and quiet at the end of the story? No, he did not. Now look at your page number 72, Unit 13, Lesson 4 sentences. Complete the sentences using the words in the box. Here we have different words like played, came, went, ran, walked, coat. Number 1 is lots of people came into Mr. Majid's shop. They dashed the piano, trumpet, cymbals, and drums. They played the piano, trumpet, cymbals, and drums. Mr. Majid dashed out of his shop, ran out of his shop. He dashed on a train, he went on a train. He dashed into a big field, he walked into a big field. Then he dashed to sleep, then he got to sleep. Okay, now look at your B part. Read the sentences about the cat in the picture. Circle the right word. Okay. Number 1 is the cat jumped under or over the wall. Look at this picture. The cat jumped over the wall, not under. It went dash into or out of the house. Look at second, this cat. It went into the house. Into the house, okay? So circle into. It saw a jug in the middle of or beside a table. Number 3, it saw a jug in the middle of a table. Look at the jug is in the middle of a table. Number 4, the cat jumped off or onto the table. Look at number 4, the cat jumped off the table. Look at number 5, it drank all the milk and then jumped off or onto the table. Look at number 5, the cat jumped off the table. Look at 6, it hid under or over a chair. This cat hid under a chair. Look at number 7, it walked into or out of the house. It walked out of the house. Look at last it went to sleep in the middle of or beside the wall. At last it went to sleep in the middle, not middle, beside the wall. Look at this picture. beside the wall. So you have to circle it here. Now look at your C part. What are they saying? Match the sentences to the pictures. Okay, what a loud noise. Who is saying what a loud noise in this picture? So you match it. What a sharp knife. Who said? He is saying. So match it like this. What a wet day. This girl sing what a wet day. So you have to match it like this. Okay, the last one is not second last is what a tall man. Who is saying what a tall man? This boy is saying what a tall man because this boy is a tall. What a good cake. Who is saying? This girl is saying what a good cake. Now look at your page number 73. It is your homework. Do it by on yourself. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.